Okay, I just finished PT today, and then um I do feel like a beginner. It's like I don't understand why. As in what happened to my defense, I gotta do more defensive drills, as in I've been working on passive defense, as in conditioning and passive defense. But I think it's time for me to work on active defense as well. Because it's like, yeah, you gotta learn your techniques, especially where am I going? Is it this? Is it? Yeah, I think I need to improve my defenses as well. Like I said, um, how am I being so slow? I gotta go faster, right? Gotta go faster. Um, yeah, most of my conditioning is focused on passive defense. But then I realized, today I've been PTing with Crew Nuat, and then I figure, I need to train harder. Yeah, I figure I need to train harder. Like I said, if some people claim that they could keep up with me, um, you've seen me regenerating in your face. Like, you've literally seen me regenerating in your face. And some people will still choose not to believe. So now here's the thing. Yeah, here's the thing. I don't really need to prove myself anymore, but I do believe in PT, as in it's gonna take me a while before I can do the next PT again. But I figure that Muay Boran is just like Muay Boran is my thing. BJJ isn't. And then I know people are gonna complain about my character, but as I said before, I don't need to prove anything to anyone anymore. Like, I think I got it. But people do complain, like people do whine about how about me in many different ways. But it's okay. Okay, I should be working on my tips. I didn't kick any pads today though. Okay, I didn't kick any pad today, and I think I can do this, right? Yeah, so today I guess I did a little bit of conditioning. I did take the coach, as in, the crew, and then he did the teeps and the punches. So I figure I should be training harder. I should be doing better, as in I don't think I'm doing as well as I had hoped. Today in PT I just felt like I didn't do as well as I had hoped. So if I want to do better, right? If I want to do better, I should really, really think about the drills and conditioning, because um, today I think I did get swept. Like, I think, um, to be honest, I need to work harder. As in, I do believe I need to work harder. So the next time I show up, if I do show up in Shaolin Temple UK, I think I should be prepared, because there are drills that I can do. Yeah, now that I've learned a few techniques, there are defensive drills that I can do to upgrade my defenses. And I know, yeah, I know it's gonna work wonders against the people, right?